Hey, we're talking about extended warranties today, and are they a scam? Is it something that you can purchase but have a great buy with it? Of course, the warranty company's got to make money. So are you going to get your money out of it? Maybe. It depends what needs you have and what kind of plan you have, what coverage there is. So first thing, there's no cap on what a company can sell the warranty for. Let me say that again. There's no cap on what a company could sell a warranty for. It's not regulated. So let's say it's purchased by the seller at $1,500. They could sell for $2,000. They could sell for $4,000. There's no regulation. So shop it around. Make sure you're getting a competitive price. The second thing, is the company reputable that you're buying the warranty? So whoever's going to service that. So take and ask your mechanic, would you service this contract if I bought it from this company? And they're going to say, I don't like working with that company. Then you probably want to steer away from that, because what they do is they upcharge, they charge a lot of fees to the shop. So therefore the shop doesn't want to work on that, or they don't cover half of the stuff they should cover. And then what happens is the shop looks like we're the bad guy because we say, hey, it's not covered, and you call the warranty company. They kind of try to pin that on the shop. So you definitely want to get a reputable company. You want to get a competitive price. And then the last thing is you got to make sure that the items that you need are covered. So do you want the high-end one that shocks and struts are covered? Do you just want drivetrain with engine and transmission covered? That's the kind of plan you got to decide based on your family and the needs that you have.
877 4277